please step behind the safety lines. The gallery will darken, there will be loud noises and special light effects. Please do not be alarmed. We're just about to move a few hundred tons of molten steel, and it's about to get very hot in here.
G'day folks. Well, welcome to what we knew as Big Harry's place. The rest of Australia, well, they knew it as BHP Newcastle Steel Works. I worked there every day for over 25 years. And I tell you, the sights, the sounds, the smells, well, I never leave it. I remember it all. You know why? Look around you. Everything was big about Harry's place. And at its height, we pumped out 2 million tons of steel a year and employed over 11,000 people. Another thing that was big, you heard it, the noise. And you could feel it, the heat, the steam, the dust. Most people spend their first day working here in complete terror. They took one look at labels like this, turned around and walked out of the spot. Couldn't blame them. It was dangerous. When the earthquake hit in 1989, most of us just thought it was a problem in the slag pits. That was the kind of explosions we were used to. Now here, we're about to tap the boss steel furnace. That's classed as invasive oxygen steelmaking, not the guy in charge. Now, once the molten steel was tapped from the furnace into the ladle, it had to be teamed into ingot trays. Now, that's what we're going to do now. These ladles weigh 75 tonnes on their own, and when you're working with hundreds of tonnes of molten metal, there's a lot that can go wrong. So, when you heard the alarms, you make sure you're out of the way. That's the one. Nice, isn't it? The point was, we used different music and sounds, so people would get used to the same noise. Right? Now here it comes. And I tell you, first day I do one of these, I knew I was living my life. Whoa! Here the taking starts now! We're going to find everything that's wrong with the wall, but here runs some of it! Boys, now, look sharp! Okay? Good. All right. Sorry about that, but one of the worst things that can happen was a problem with the stopper rod. Now the guy had to act fast to get a running stopper in its place, otherwise, well, that would have been you lot drowning in molten steel. Okay. Now we continue the steel out into the ingot. And the chimney fills from the buckets, and the steel flows up through the channels into the 4 different molds. That was it. Simple, huh? England would be taking the rolled in steel, plates for the industry, the railway lines across Australia, the Sydney Harbour Bridge. You see, they all started life here as molten steel. For nearly 100 years, we made the steel that built Australia. It was loud, dirty, it was dangerous. And the heat was something else, but you know what? It was the most exciting job you could wish for. You got a feel for the steel, it was alive. A good crane driver could catch the swing of the ladle, a good furnace foreman could tell by the smell and the look if the steel was ready. And from my first day to my last, I was just in awe of this place. But when it closed, I don't know, I was lost. It was the most exciting part of my life. I still go back there in my sleep, my thoughts, hear the noise, feel the heat. I remember my mates. Everything was big at Big Harry's place. The furnaces, the ladles, the danger. But you know what? Our lives were big too. And nothing else came close.
Well, that was fun.